Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a habit tracker in Notion. First, open Notion and create a new page, naming it Habit Tracker. Next, add a database to this page, choosing the table view for clarity. We'll then define key properties like habit name, type checkbox, and date to begin building your system. This foundational setup is crucial for consistent tracking and progress. Now, let's customize your tracker. Add properties like select for habit categories or number for quantitative habits. Utilize Notion's formula property to calculate your daily or weekly completion percentage, providing valuable insights. Furthermore, set up different database views, such as a calendar view for a monthly overview or a board view to see habits by status. This personalization makes your tracker truly effective. For advanced tracking, leverage Notion's powerful filtering and sorting capabilities to analyze specific habits or timeframes. Create daily templates within your database to quickly add new entries without manual setup each day. You can also implement Notion buttons to mark habits as complete with a single click, streamlining your daily routine. These features enhance efficiency and make habit tracking more engaging. To maximize your habit tracker's effectiveness, regularly review your habits and adjust them to ensure they align with your evolving goals. Don't be afraid to modify your Notion setup as your routines change. Flexibility is key. Remember to stay consistent, even small steps lead to big progress. Also, for daily wellness, check out the Oala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below. Keep tracking and achieving your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.